I'm talking with Dr. Jadine Anderson, who's a chiropractor. Dr. Anderson, how does nutrition figure in with chiropractic treatment?
Nutrition and chiropractic go hand in hand. In some cases, people's conditions is very associated with the spinal misalignments, and in other cases, along with those spinal misalignments, proper nutrition and diet and supplementation will help aid in the healing process being even quicker. So how I recommend patients to go about nutrition is eating a healthy, well-balanced diet, and within that supplementation being a good multivitamin, and depending on their condition, there's other supplements that might help them greatly with fulfilling their health needs or wants.
How about the omega-3s? We hear a lot about omega-3s being very important to overall health these days.
Omega-3s is a very important supplement that I'd like to tell people about because it helps with such a wide variety of health issues, and specifically within our profession, inflammation or swelling within the joints occurs a lot of the time. So supplementation with the omega-3s helps decrease the inflammation, along with the host of it helps your nervous system, it helps your cardiovascular system, it helps so much.
Does it help lubricate the joints too?
It helps decrease the inflammation, which will help the joints to be able to move properly, yes. I recommend supplementation because basically getting everything that your body needs is going to help you achieve your health goals.
Thank you, Dr. Anderson.